Hey, it's Gina with WTI. I'm pretending to have dancer's feet right now because that's the best way to showcase these Tuckett grip socks. I was looking for a pair of exercise socks because my feet get really cold when I do Pilates or stretching or other exercises on my exercise mat at home. I'm so pleased with these socks because it allows me to do movements where I need my feet to remain planted on the mat without slipping, but still have grip and keep my feet warm. I wasn't sure if I would like that the sock has a toe hole, but I found that it doesn't irritate in between my toes. I don't even notice it while I'm exercising. The fabric is really soft with an elasticity to it that snugs your foot just like a glove. I wear a size 7.5 in women's shoes, and I got the size small medium, and they fit me really well. There's a little bit of give, but they're not slipping or sliding all around my feet. I got the 3-pack of Allegro style socks, and they come in such pretty colors: black, static, and gray blush. And I'm somebody who loves to mix and match my socks too, so I love that I can do that with these socks and they match my workout outfits. I like that my toes can be free and the grip on the bottom is really good. Even on hardwood or slick surfaces, you're not slipping or sliding around. If you're looking for a comfy pair of exercise socks for dance or yoga, Pilates, floor exercises, stretching, I highly recommend these ones from Tucketts. Not only are they comfortable, but also the company is doing really good things as far as sustainability and community awareness. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.